Hi, this is John Bartoletta from the trading room here in Tampa, Florida. Today is Friday, December 28th. I want to give you a little update of what's going on in the marketplace. Light volume, not many traders on the floor. Market is bouncing around a little bit to the downside based on the fiscal cliff and the fact that we haven't had a resolution to it. We're going to go into the year flat, protecting the client accounts, trying to make sure that we get through what is probably going to be a fiscal cliff slash bump in the road. We think some downside pressure is here unless some type of deal gets struck. At any level, you should get a reverse reflex rally to the upside on any kind of news. What we're seeing now is every time they say that they're back in session, market pops to the upside a little bit, but really there's downside pressure from the unknown. The fact that the market has held up this strong is an indication that people want something to happen to move forward. There's a lot of headwinds in the marketplace right now. Markets are doing fairly well relative to the negative news. If this news would have been out 2 years ago, they would have plummeted the market. We could have seen the Dow down hundreds, if not close to 1,000 points on the downside. The market has some headwinds behind it. Some of the economic activity is okay based on sector-related issues. And what we're predicting or seeing is any kind of removal of the fiscal cliff, anything to even push the can down the road, we should get a little bit of upside movement through the first 2 quarters of the year. Once that kicks in, we believe that the second half of the year will be very, very strong. We think that the headwinds of economic change are coming. We're seeing pockets of it internationally, both in the Asia markets and in India. But what we believe is that the second half of next year could be the spark that finally turns this market to the upside for a 3 to 4 year period. This is what we're hoping for. It's what we're looking at, seeing signs for it. We'll keep you informed. We're going to start producing a lot more of these videos to keep people informed of where we think the markets are going. Have a great holiday weekend. We'll talk to you next week.